Hey, Matt here with 911R, and we have this 88 M3 Evo 2 that's ending here in a little bit. I was luckily able to get a hold of the prior owner who owned the car for 13 years in the UK. He owns a supercar detailing, so he's obviously in the business and is around these types of cars. Yeah, he owned the car and did a lot of work and maintenance to the car. Pretty much how the condition you see the car is now is how it left him. It went to two other collectors before it came to the U.S. and went to our client up in the Northeast. But this car has had some great upgrades to it. The motor was fully redone. It's got upgraded timing cams and or cams and timing chains, pistons, big end bearings, and all this stuff. It's doing about 240 horsepower, which is a really good number on these cars. The interior, come on over, we'll come over this way. Was all redone in Scottish leather and materials. It's very, very well detailed and pristine. You know, being a numbered, unique car, Evo car is just, you just don't see these. I mean, in all the years I've been selling cars and thousands of cars, I've never had an Evo 2. So this is a really rare opportunity to get a very special car that's just in stunning condition. You're not going to find any flaws or imperfections. I can't find anything on the car. It just looks beautiful in all the ways. The wheels, the tires, and everything. Let's come around to the trunk here. We got the first aid kit, complete tool kit, and everything's just really nice and detailed, as you can see. Really, the only thing I can see on the car is some imperfections in the wing right here. Looks like it's just in the fiberglass of the wing, but you know, bid very confidently. Again, a beautiful car. We've done all our inspection on it. You can see on the underside, it's just as stunning as the top side. Any questions, use the contact seller button. If you need a shipping quote or are interested in consigning a car with 911R, please let me know. Thank you.